Decentralized finance, or DeFi, represents a paradigm shift in how we think about and interact with financial systems. At its core, DeFi leverages the power of blockchain technology and smart contracts to create a more open, transparent, and accessible financial landscape. Imagine a world without the need for traditional intermediaries like banks. This is the promise of DeFi. This burgeoning ecosystem seeks to revolutionize everything from lending and borrowing to trading and investing. DeFi aims to empower individuals with greater control over their assets and financial well-being. By its very nature, DeFi is permissionless and borderless, enabling anyone with an internet connection to participate in this new financial frontier. As we delve deeper into the world of DeFi, we will uncover its inner workings, explore its vast potential, and address the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead. This essay will serve as your guide to understanding DeFi, its implications, and its potential to reshape the future of finance as we know it. At the heart of DeFi lies the concept of decentralization. Unlike traditional finance, which relies heavily on centralized institutions like banks and clearinghouses, DeFi operates on a distributed network of computers. This network, often referred to as a blockchain, ensures transparency and immutability. Each transaction is recorded on the blockchain, making it publicly verifiable and resistant to censorship or manipulation. Smart contracts form the backbone of DeFi applications. These self-executing contracts automate financial agreements, eliminating the need for intermediaries and reducing the potential for human error or fraud. For instance, a lending platform built on a blockchain could use smart contracts to automatically execute loan agreements, disperse funds, and collect interest payments based on predefined conditions. This decentralized and automated approach offers several advantages over traditional financial systems. It reduces reliance on intermediaries, lowers costs, increases efficiency, and enhances transparency. However, it also introduces new challenges, particularly in terms of security, regulation, and user experience. The DeFi ecosystem is vast and constantly evolving, encompassing a wide range of applications and services. Some of the most popular DeFi components include decentralized exchanges or DEX, which allow users to trade cryptocurrencies directly with one another without the need for centralized exchanges like Coinbase or Binance. These platforms utilize automated market makers or AMMs to facilitate trades and provide liquidity. Uniswap is a prime example of a popular DEX. Lending platforms enable users to earn interest on their cryptocurrency holdings or borrow crypto by collateralizing their assets. These platforms often offer more favorable interest rates than traditional banks, as they eliminate the need for intermediaries. Aave is a leading DeFi lending protocol. Stablecoins are cryptocurrencies pegged to the value of a stable asset, such as the US dollar. They offer the benefits of cryptocurrencies such as fast and low-cost transactions, while mitigating the volatility often associated with crypto assets. Tether, or USDT, and USD Coin, or USDC, are two popular examples of stablecoins. Yield farming involves lending out your cryptocurrency holdings to provide liquidity for DeFi protocols and earning rewards in the form of trading fees or governance tokens. While potentially lucrative, yield farming can be complex and risky. This is just a glimpse into the diverse DeFi landscape. As the DeFi space matures, we can expect to see even more innovative applications emerge, further blurring the lines between traditional and decentralized finance. Section 4, DeFi versus TradFi, a head-to-head comparison. To fully grasp the implications of DeFi, it's crucial to understand how it compares to traditional finance or TradFi. Let's break down some key differences. Access. DeFi is permissionless and open to anyone with an internet connection, while TradFi is often restricted by geographical location, credit score, and other factors. Intermediaries. DeFi eliminates or minimizes reliance on intermediaries, whereas TradFi relies heavily on intermediaries like banks, brokers, and clearinghouses. Operating hours. DeFi operates 24/7, 365 days a year, while TradFi is limited to business hours and subject to holidays. Transparency. In DeFi, transactions are recorded on a public blockchain, ensuring transparency. In contrast, TradFi processes are often opaque, with limited visibility for users. Controlled DeFi users have greater control over their assets and data, whereas TradFi users relinquish some control to intermediaries. This comparison highlights the potential of DeFi to create a more inclusive, efficient, and transparent financial system. However, it's important to acknowledge that DeFi is still in its early stages of development and faces challenges related to security, scalability, and regulation. Section 5. DeFi in action: real-world applications and use cases. Beyond the technical intricacies, DeFi offers tangible real-world applications that have the potential to transform various industries. Here are some compelling use cases. Cross-border payments. DeFi can facilitate faster, cheaper, and more efficient cross-border payments by leveraging blockchain technology. This can be particularly beneficial for remittances, where traditional methods often involve high fees and lengthy processing times. Tokenized assets. DeFi enables the tokenization of real-world assets such as real estate, art, and commodities. This allows for fractional ownership, increased liquidity, and easier access to traditionally illiquid markets. Decentralized autonomous organizations, or DAOs. DAOs are community-governed entities that operate on blockchain technology. DeFi protocols can leverage DAOs for decision-making, fundraising, and governance, fostering greater transparency and community involvement. These examples demonstrate the versatility and transformative potential of DeFi across various sectors. As the DeFi ecosystem continues to expand, we can expect to see even more innovative applications emerge, further blurring the lines between the physical and digital worlds. Section 6. The road ahead, DeFi's potential, and the path to mainstream adoption. While DeFi holds immense promise, several challenges need to be addressed for it to achieve widespread adoption. These include: security. Smart contract vulnerabilities and hacks pose significant risks to DeFi users. Enhanced security measures, such as rigorous code audits and bug bounty programs, are crucial to mitigate these risks. Scalability. As the DeFi ecosystem grows, blockchain networks need to handle a higher volume of transactions. Layer 2 solutions and other scaling technologies are being developed to address this challenge. Real-world asset integration. Bridging the gap between the physical and digital worlds is essential for DeFi's long-term success. This involves developing robust frameworks for tokenizing real-world assets and ensuring their security and liquidity within the DeFi ecosystem. Institutional adoption. Increased institutional participation is crucial for DeFi's mainstream adoption. This requires addressing regulatory uncertainties and developing institutional-grade custody solutions. Despite these challenges, the future of DeFi appears bright. As technology continues to advance, we can expect to see more user-friendly tools, improved security measures, and greater regulatory clarity, paving the way for wider adoption. Section 7. Conclusion: DeFi, an evolving frontier in finance. DeFi represents a paradigm shift in the world of finance, offering the potential for a more open, transparent, and accessible financial system. By leveraging the power of blockchain technology and smart contracts, DeFi empowers individuals with greater control over their assets and financial well-being. While still in its early stages of development, DeFi has already demonstrated its transformative potential across various sectors, from lending and borrowing to trading and investing. As the DeFi ecosystem continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more innovative applications emerge, further blurring the lines between traditional and decentralized finance. The journey into the world of DeFi is not without its challenges. Security risks, scalability limitations, and regulatory uncertainties are all factors that need to be carefully considered. However, the potential rewards of a more inclusive, efficient, and equitable financial system make DeFi an exciting frontier worth exploring. As with any emerging technology, it's essential to proceed with caution, conduct thorough research, and understand the risks involved.